Goa, one of India's smallest state, definitely has a lot of unique experiences to offer. From its clean beaches and the beautiful drives, Goa remains a top holiday destination in India. From gazing at the beautiful sunset to shopping at the various local markets, enjoying the traditional Goan sweet dish bibinka, to shopping for your favorite drink at reasonable prices, witnessing the beautiful church.
We are on the streets of Old Goa.
It is such a beautiful experience in itself. वेलकम टू द थर्ड व्लॉग ऑफ गोवा। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मैं मेरे फ्रेंड के घर पे रह रही थी एंड वी वर रोमिंग ऑन द डीओ। अगर आप कहीं भी घूमना चाहते हो तो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट यू हैव टू वेक अप अ लिटिल अर्ली एंड विटनेस दैट ब्यूटीफुल सनराइज। Next stop for breakfast, you should definitely head to one of the oldest cafes and bakeries in Goa. We are here at Jaws Restaurant, which is in Vagator, and यहाँ का खाना was so good, guys. A must visit if you are around Vagator. And here, my friend had a chicken soup and I had a sandwich, and the taste was really good. A must visit place.
अंडर वाटर भेजेगा, हाफ एन आवर ट्रेनिंग रहेगा। ट्रेनिंग करा के बाद में आपको लंच कराने लेके जाएगा। लंच कराने के बाद आपको लेगा तो आपके साथ हमारा गाइड भी रहता है। फोटो वीडियो चाहिए तो आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री करेगा।
तो इस वक्त हम हैं वागतौर बीच में एंड वी वांटेड टू ट्राई सम वाटर स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटी एंड वी डिसाइडेड टू गो अहेड विद जेट स्की. दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई लव्ड दिस एक्सपीरियंस. फॉर मी दिस वुड ऑलवेज बी अ वेरी स्पेशल एंड मेमोरेबल फीलिंग. हमारे साथ एक इंस्ट्रक्टर थे जो हमें गाइड कर रहे थे एंड इट वॉज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस. ऐसा लग रहा था कि लाइफ में कुछ तो थ्रिलिंग और एडवेंचरस हो रहा है. And I totally love this feeling. We were breaking through the waves and going deeper into the sea. Next time you travel to Goa, you must try some water sport activities. Afternoons in Goa can be a lot sunnier, and so it's better to go to your favorite restaurant and spend some good time. Enjoy the fish thali and some seafood cuisine. We have ordered for shellfish curry and crab meat rice. The food at this particular restaurant was quite decent. The drive for the next location was quite scenic and rocky. So we are currently heading to the Arambol beach. Now the best time to visit any beach can be early in the morning or late in the afternoon so that you can witness the beautiful sunset. You pass through this narrow lane which is parallel to the beach, and on both the sides of the roads you'll see street side shopping where you see a range of collection of hippie clothes, bags, hats, various accessories and handicraft items, and these are all unique collection of items. You must try your hands on shopping here. It's time to get inside the Arambol beach, and this beach has a vibe of its own. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in Goa.
Hey guys, तो हम लोग अभी आरंबोल बीच पे बैठे हैं. We ordering food. नींबू पानी लाना, sweet. एक प्लेन लस्सी.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone.
After enjoying the refreshments and resting a little, we move closer to the beach.
Sing along.
Hey guys, we're waiting for the sun to set. A lot of families are here on the beach playing with their kids. Let me show you the view.
By you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning
और हम इन गलियों से जा रहे हैं. This looks like a shopping area.
We got everything we need right here. We got everything.
After a few minutes of walk, you end up on the side of the beach, which is a little rocky, and from here you can see the beautiful view of the entire Arambol beach. After a long ride, we reached Panjim, Goa, and
We are in Old Goa and this is Immaculate Conception Church here. It looks really nice and very happy to be here. Let's go.
the Immaculate Conception Church is a colonial Portuguese style church which was first built as a chapel in the 1541 and later on replaced as a larger church in the 1600s as part of Goa's religious expansion. It overlooks the Panjim city.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah.
Next we headed to Fontanas, wherein we spent some time walking across the narrow lanes admiring the brightly colored colonial quarters, some of which are run down in the course of time, but overall they are very well preserved.
Hey guys, we are on the streets of Old Goa and you can see churches on both sides of the street, and it's a beautiful street floor which is closed right now because 3rd of December is the feast and they are starting the preparations for the feast. So come with me!
The Basilica of Bom Jesus holds a special place in the Goan Catholics' identity across the world. This place is one of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites and holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier. The remains of the saint still attract a huge number of tourists from all over the world, especially during the public viewing of his body every 10 years.
It's getting darker guys, so Old Goa is kind of very far from where we stay and we drove for 30-35 kilometers.
A great place to find fresh local food products like desserts like dodol, bibinka, cashew. Mapsa market has always been one of the main centers for trading and shopping in Goa from the olden times.
What is special in Goa? In sweets? Bibinka. Okay. So what exactly is this made of?
Coconut juice, maida and egg yolk.
Okay.
Bibinka, also known as bibik, is a traditional layered sweet dish of Goa and is a must try. One can find just about anything at Mapsa market, with items ranging from handicrafts, textiles, clothing, spices. One can also find a wide variety of bakery items such as cakes, pastries, cookies and traditional Goan sweets. You will also find a wide variety of drinks ranging from staple drink of Goa, Feni, to the port wines. Thanks for watching guys. If you are still here with me, please subscribe and like this video, and I hope you plan your next trip to Goa really soon in the early of 2021, which is actually the best time to visit Goa.